We are tapping into a powerful truth that has been suppressed for generations. While this history isn't widely accepted by mainstream academia, there's strong evidence, through land records, treaties, oral history, and esoteric texts, that 13 black Aboriginal royal families ruled over regions that would later be called the 13 Colonies. The European invasion was not simply colonization, it was a war of succession, conquest, and erasure. Known and alleged black royal families who ruled pre-colonial and early colonial America, the Washita de Dugdamundia dynasty land. Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. Leader Empress Verdiyashi Tiari Washita El Bey, recognized by the United Nations as one of the oldest indigenous sovereign nations. The Yamasee Confederacy land, Georgia, South Carolina, Florida, called Negro Indians by colonists, known for powerful black nobility and resistance against British encroachment. The Guel Royal House land, Georgia coast mound builders connected to Olmec ancestry, had black nobility long before Spanish contact. The Moors of Rhode Island and Delaware land, Northeast colonies. Moorish bloodlines controlled trade routes and spiritual governance. Many were enslaved or reclassified after 1776. The Shinnecock and Montaukett Royals land, New York, Long Island, dark-skinned maritime nations, ruled coastal trade with matriarchs and patriarchs of Afro-Aboriginal descent. The Nanticoke Lenni Lenape Confederacy, land, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania. Many leaders described as dark Indians with noble bloodlines, had European treaties that were later broken. The Cherokee Aniunwia Black Nobles land, Appalachian regions. Originally an empire with black leaders like Chief Attakullakulla and Dragging Canoe, some say they descend from Hebrew lineages. The Choctaw Chickasaw Nobility land, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, referred to as mound-building black Indians, known for large palatial mounds and government systems. The Catawba Nation land, Carolinas. Described in colonial writings as copper-colored with kinky hair, they were warrior royals allied with other black tribes. The Powhatan Confederacy land, Virginia, leader, Wahunsenakaw, Powhatan, father of Matawaka, Pocahontas. Many scholars and artists depict Powhatan as dark-skinned. Powhatan rule extended over 30-plus tribes. The Tunica Biloxi Royals land, Louisiana, known for gold, sacred knowledge, and advanced systems, tied to ancient Nubian lineage through cultural similarities. The Calusa Dynasty land, Florida Gulf Coast, called Shell Indians, they were black-skinned maritime kings, Spaniards feared and respected them. The Narragansett Royal Bloodline land, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, controlled coastal trade and inland alliances, described in writings as black and fierce. 300 years of war and suppression. These families were gradually removed through papal bulls like Dum Diversas and Inter Caetera, authorizing enslavement of non-Christian sovereigns. Doctrine of discovery, which allowed European crowns to seize lands from sovereigns they deemed heathens. Reclassification, where sovereigns were renamed Negro, colored, or freedmen in census and land records. Wars and massacres like the Yamasee War, 1715, King Philip's War, 1675, and the Guel Rebellion,